my room, the first thing you see at the back of the door, I have this stuff or rack for my face caps. And then I have this corner where I put I bought this gadget. This is my hair fryer and this is my blender, and there's some other things down there. Then this was my shopping trolley, but I lost the tires, so I just keep some extra food items inside. This is my bicycle basket, but it came off, so now I use it for my toiletries and my shampoo, everything I just need to use in the bathroom. It's just very handy and quick. And those are my cleaning agents. Coming inside my room, my rag. This was actually a bed sheet. There was a time there was a problem in my room, so I turned it to like a cleaning rag, and ever since it's been for cleaning. This is what I look like, and this is what my room looks like. This is my favorite thing in the room, the bureau, and that's what I'm going to miss actually. Let's come to this side of my room. When I moved in, the bed was somewhere here. The chair has always been like that. This space is quite short, so I was constantly hitting my head on the wall. I had to change the position of the bed, and it's been perfect. That's my extra bed that I got for free on an application called Give. I'll link the video above if you want to know how to get free furniture and free items. I didn't do much to the room. Oh yeah, I like this. It's like my prayer corner. Not prayer corner because it's literally my bed, but sometimes I just read the scriptures that I put there. She believed she could, so she did. Something I got on Shein, and I really liked it. And just some of my favorite pictures. So some things I just do not want to forget. I wrote them, and I pasted them on this thing I got from Nose. And then the flower I got from Shein as well, and some pictures. These posters I got them for free somewhere, and just my little stuff. I've always had this with me since I moved to France. I got this from a job fair. I got this, but I wasn't able to unravel it, and I just left it there as decoration. I'm sorry my room is looking jam-packed, but I'm in the middle of moving. I just remember that I haven't actually made an updated room tour. That's why I'm making this video. So this one was not here before, it was at the other end, but there was a problem with my zinc, so I had to bring that to. It was a messy situation anyway. I have this. I keep a bunch of things inside, some books and like things I just always need when I'm on my bed and whatnot. Anyway, welcome to this side. This is my reading, meeting, and just workspace basically. I have pretty much everything I need. I've not been feeling too fine, so I have drugs. My plant unfortunately died on me, so I mean it actually fell down, that's why it died. So it fell from here down the stairs, like it rolled down. So I actually picked it up and hoped it will come back, but it didn't come back alive. These books and everything were inside that second drawer. The second drawer was attached here, but because of the faultiness and everything that's just been happening, I didn't return it back to its original place. So it's been there. That's been there ever since my birthday. A bunch of bags. I have nowhere to like hang them or anything, so I just left them. My bags, like my travel boxes, and some cartons of some items that I ordered, like my ring lights, my just anything random. More shoes and some of my bags. Actually, this is not where I keep them, but because I'm in the middle of packing, I just arranged them this way so I could make this video. I have my lights, I have tote bags, and yeah, there's really nothing special. Just my clothes and my everyday stuff, literally. This is how I've been living for the past almost 2 years. I'm happy it's finally over. I mean, I love this room. It was beautiful to a good extent, and it's minimal. I've lived in this room for 2 years, almost 2 years. So I'm happy I'm living and moving. So stay tuned for my new house tour, and it's gonna be a big surprise. You never know how much stuff you have until you're moving. Like, tell me how all these items contained my small room. This is insane. What's up, guys? I know I look stressed and tired. I'm actually very stressed and tired. It's my moving out day. Sorry if this video is echoing, if you are hearing my voice in echoes. I'm in my empty apartment now, and I'm just exhausted, and I just wanted to carry you guys along with me. Let me show you what the room is looking like right now, and then I'll give you updates on my moving vlog, and then I'll continue the video, or you're going to see like whatever happens after now. So it's Saturday the 31st of May, and oh sorry, it's Friday actually. Yeah, weird. It's Friday the 31st of May, and I'm finally moving into my own apartment. It's been a long time coming, guys. I don't know if you can tell. I'm very excited. I'm just very tired. It's been a long time coming. I've always been dreaming of the day I'm going to move into my own apartment, meaning I'm not living with anybody. I'm not sharing anything with anyone, just me and myself in my own apartment. It's a big feeling of joy. You might not think it's a feeling of joy if you are not an immigrant in a country, or if you are rich or something, but it's a long story. I'm going to break it down and tell you guys all about it later, okay? So let me show you what my room looks like. So I cleaned and mopped this morning. So this is what my room looks like. Kind of what it looked like when I moved in. I already took down my decorations. I'm leaving this one because number one, I was too tired to try to pull them down. Number two, I don't think I'll need them in my new place, and I just love them. So yeah, everything is empty. These are some sheets I'm just dropping there, because here I have a single bed, and in my new apartment it's a double bed. So double bed is like ×2 or almost ×2 bed. I just changed the position to this way. If you watch my previous video, or on my room tour or whatever, I changed the bed from this position to this position when I moved in. So now that I'm leaving, I just changed it back to this position, because I don't know if the next person would prefer it this way or do whatever they like with the room, but I just decided to make it like change it back to how I met it. It's raining.